And now, the grand finale, Lesson 5. Be proud, you have come so far. Time for your AI toolkit, and a joyful send-off. Step right in, Mr. Jacob Francis is waiting to celebrate with you all. Come along, and keep learning.
Welcome back, my friend, and what a journey it has been. This is our final lesson, and today I want to do two lovely things. First, hand you a small explorer's toolkit, a few wonderful resources to keep growing long after this class ends, and second, give you the one mindset that will keep you confident with AI for the rest of your life. So here is a question to begin. Now that you know the basics, do you think keeping up with new AI will be exhausting and impossible, or actually quite easy and even enjoyable? Hold your honest guess, and let us finish this journey together, beautifully. And as always, every big word becomes plain at once. Let us start with a place with a slightly funny name, Hugging Face. Do not let the name puzzle you, it is simply the world's biggest gathering place for AI. Think of it as an enormous public library, except instead of books, the whole world shares thousands of ready-made AI helpers there, each one a different AI brain, built for a job, and a great many of them are completely free to explore and use. So if you ever wonder, is there an AI that can do this particular little job? Very often, someone has already built one and shared it on Hugging Face. You do not need to understand the technical side at all, just know that this giant, mostly free library exists, open to everyone, including you. It is the friendly home of the whole AI community. Does that land? If you are thinking, a giant free library of ready-made AI, you have it perfectly, that is all Hugging Face is. Next, a wonderfully handy one called OpenRouter. Here is the simple idea. Normally, to try different AI brands, you would need a separate account for each one, separate signups, separate logins, a real headache. OpenRouter solves that. It is a single door through which you can reach and try many different AI models, all from one place. Think of it like one master remote that controls every television in the house, instead of fumbling with 5 different remotes. Now, one honest word so you are never surprised, OpenRouter is not free. You pay a small amount only for what you actually use, just like electricity or a phone recharge, where you pay for what you consume, not a fixed fee, but it is usually very cheap, and the convenience of trying many AI.s from one door is wonderful. So let me check, does that idea of one door, many AI.s feel clear? Take a breath. If you pictured one master remote for the whole house, you have it exactly. Lovely. Now, this next one is my favorite for ordinary, practical people like us. It is a website called Artificial Analysis, and all it does is compare the different AI models for you, honestly and independently. It shows you, in simple charts, which AI is the most clever right now, which is the fastest, and which is the cheapest. Think of it exactly like a price and quality comparison website you might check before buying a new phone or a fridge. You look before you choose. Because here is the truth, that best AI keeps changing every few months, as companies leap ahead of each other. So instead of guessing, or trusting some advertisement, you simply glance at Artificial Analysis and see the real picture for today. So let me ask you. Suppose, 6 months from now, you want to know which AI is genuinely the best for your work. Should you simply guess, or believe a flashy advertisement, or calmly open Artificial Analysis and check the honest comparison? Think for a moment. Yes, you check Artificial Analysis. Never guess, and never just trust the loudest advertisement, because the answer truly changes every few months. One quick look, and you always know today's real winner. That is how you stay smart and current, with almost no effort. Wonderful. Now let me show you where all of this is heading next, because it is genuinely exciting. So far, mostly, we have chatted with AI, we ask, it answers. But here is the exciting direction it is now moving. AI is beginning to connect to your everyday apps, so it can actually do tasks for you, not just talk about them. For example, AI like Claude can now connect to other apps, such as a work organizing tool called Asana, and, with your permission, actually create or update tasks for you, instead of only giving advice. It does this through a secure connection. You switch on, you stay in control, and you check its work, but it shows the real direction AI is heading. Think of it as your assistant growing up. Yesterday he only gave you advice. Today, when you allow it, he can actually do the filing and the paperwork for you. This is still early and growing fast, but it shows you where we are headed. AI that quietly does the busy work, freeing you for the things only you can do. And now, the single most important lesson of this entire class, more important than any tool. The real skill is not memorizing one app, because apps will come and go. The real skill is to stay what I call a curious all-rounder, a jack of all trades who is not afraid, who understands the simple basics, and who is happy to try the new thing when it appears. You do not need to be a narrow technical expert, you simply need the calm confidence you have built in this class. Because you now understand how AI truly thinks, any new tool is just a fresh face on ideas you already know. That curiosity, not any single app, is your real superpower. So let me ask you one last question, and it is the most important one. Imagine a brand new, exciting AI appears next year, with a name you have never heard. Do you panic and feel left behind, or do you smile, stay curious, and calmly give it a try? Feel your honest answer. Yes, you stay calm and curious, and you try it. Because you now hold the foundation, you understand how AI truly thinks. A new tool is no longer a threat, it is just a new toy for a mind that already understands. That is the confidence you leave this class with. Now, before we close, let me gently answer the two worries I hear most often, and please, if yours is different, write it in the comments. I read every one and reply within 24 hours. First worry, will AI take my job? My honest answer is this: AI will change many jobs and reshape some of the tasks within them. That part is real and worth respecting, but it is far more likely to become a powerful helper than to simply replace you. The shopkeeper who learns to use it serves more customers and saves more time than the one who ignores it, and that learner is now you. Second worry, am I too old or too non-technical for this? And you have already answered that yourself by finishing this entire class. You did it. So that fear is gone, for good. So let me clear up the very last myth, the one that frightens people away before they even begin. The myth is, AI moves so fast, I must master every new tool, and I can never possibly keep up. Be honest, did that worry sit somewhere in your chest when we started? It sits in almost everyone. But here is the freeing truth, you do not master every tool, nobody does, not even the experts. You learn the simple basics once, which you have just done, and then you stay curious, picking up new tools easily because you understand the ideas beneath them. Learning the basics is the hard part, and you have already finished it. From here, it is only ever easy. So let us pause, and let me say this with all my heart. You began this class perhaps a little unsure, maybe even a little afraid of this thing called AI. And look at you now, you understand how it works, you can use it, build with it, keep it honest, keep it private, and choose the right tool with confidence. You are no longer a nervous beginner, you are genuinely literate for life. I am so proud of you, my friend. Truly. That is a real achievement, and nobody can ever take it from you. One last note to keep. Line 1. Hugging Face is the big, mostly free library of AI. OpenRouter is one door to try many models. Artificial analysis compares them so you always know today's best. Line 2, and the most important, stay a curious all-rounder, learn the basics once, then simply stay open, and you will never fall behind. Pause and write those 2 lines. I will wait for you, this one last time. And here is your final, gentle homework, a graduation gift to yourself. Just once, type the words artificial analysis into Google, click the first result, and look at the chart of today's top AI helpers. You do not have to do anything else, simply see, with your own eyes, that you now understand this world you were once unsure of. And then, do one more thing for me, go and use AI for one real thing in your life this week, however small. That is how this knowledge becomes truly yours. Thank you, from the bottom of my heart, for spending this time with me. You came as a beginner, and you leave ready for the future. Keep that curiosity alive, and go well, my friend. This is not goodbye, It is the beginning of your own adventure with AI. Take care, and congratulations. Graduation cap.